Okay, so we have the Revos down for the count. The 28 Novarossi. Unfortunately, your heart beats no more. There's the bottom of the connecting rod in pieces. Alright, let's cut these zip ties off and pull the head off too and see. I don't know where that little X-Acto knife went to, but I think it might be in my bag of tricks here. I think.
There I go.
Oh, there's fucking diesel in the bottom of there. Oh, yeah, there is diesel in the bottom of my bag. I thought it smelled funny the other day. Alright. And it was fucking running beautifully. Like it was hauling ass. It was bringing the front wheels off the ground. And it wasn't even that hot. Like you could still grab the head and not get burnt, you know what I mean?
Well, you know what's just going to stay with you now.
You want me to see if I can find parts?
Yeah.
Okay, let's whip that head off.
You kidding me?
So I was thinking, well, why the fuck does it sound like that? Like it started and it ran okay, then it started to get worse and worse and worse. It sounded to me like it was flooded. Just like any other roto-start engine. That's kind of why I don't like roto-starts, because you can't feel if there's something wrong. You want me to go have a go? Here, let's have a look. Oh, that screwdriver just take a shit.
Yep.
Yeah, we got some dynamite.
Sorry.
What's that?
Screwdriver.
Oh, fuck, whatever. Cheap Chinese ones from Canadian Tire. Oh, that's better. Alright. So the Jado is down for the count because it cartwheeled across the parking lot over there. So what we got left is the Firestorm that still runs, the LRP, and the Mad Warrior. The SH18 lives no longer. The Slash runs good, although it's electric, so it didn't blow up or burn down. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's see, what's we got in there? At least there's not like fucking 10 screws on like some of the engines. You have to undo screw after screw after screw. Alright, let's see.
You're just filming this crap? I'm fucking depressed and you're filming this?
You know what, at this point it doesn't really matter if we fucking pry it a little bit. Okay. Head button's in okay shape. It's a little dirty. Let's see if the sleeve will come out. Well, the sleeve and the fucking piston's already trashed.
The sleeve on the piston's trashed?
Oh yeah. Well, actually they might not be, so we might just be able to. Just maybe. Maybe. If you're kind enough.
Can you just put a zip tie in there and twist it? Oh, you can't twist it, can you?
Yeah, because that doesn't line up no more. Oh dear. Okay, so we can see. Yeah, that's taking out fucking everything, so might just be able to push on the back of the sleeve carefully. No, it's all completely bound up in there. Might just go. No.
Go. No, she's moving.
Yeah, very, very slowly. It's all stuck. Oh, the carnage. If we can find a new piston and sleeve and bearings, if the crankshaft is still in good shape, we might be okay. Let's have another look in there. Yeah, because that fucking shit does not want to budge. It's gonna have to see some torch action, I think. Yeah, that sleeve should pop right out. Let's have a look at that rod. Oh yeah, let's get some sunshine in there.
Your joy. It looks like you're having a blast of it. I'm fucking depressed and you're laughing.
No, I'm not laughing about it. All right, more on this at a later date.
Yeah, a later